A civilization and glorious history blended with ancient traditions. Developing economy with cutting-edge technologies and new generation human resources. Huge energy resources ready to contribute to the benefit of all, humanity and world peace. Modern industrial facilities and transportation routes extending to all over the world. Tourism that includes the wonders of the world and ecologically clean, Avaza with golden glittering waves. Turkmenistan, new potentials and new opportunities. The first Caspian Economic Forum welcomes you on the 11th and 12th of August.